This is frustrating. Forget about my hair because it's not gonna get better right now. But it's 9:37 a.m. It's Monday, and I'm gonna film what I eat in a day video. I just woke up, had a workout, some cardio, and some like ab and arm exercises. I washed my hair, I had like a shower, I washed my hair, and I just did my skincare and stuff. So very simple. So I'm gonna bring you along and I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day. I'm just gonna do some disclaimers because I think everybody does these days, because everybody gets offended by everything other people do. So I'm just gonna explain. Currently I am in the process of getting back in shape, losing weight, all that, but I want this to be very the focus of my explanation. I'm not doing any crazy diet, I'm not cutting back anything. I really want to do this the healthy way, the right way, more long term, than because I just want to keep this weight off and to stay in shape and not to bounce back, because that's what happens with fast diets. So I'm doing like everything normally, but a very important thing that I've learned in my journey of fitness, nutrition, losing weight, gaining weight, everything, is protein. And protein is very important, and I think people don't focus enough on it. And you're gonna see in my meals I try to have as much protein as I can, well, in the needs of my body, but protein is the thing that actually makes you feel fuller for longer, and it's very important to have it into your meals. And usually like many meals don't have protein. So we're gonna have protein, we're gonna have healthy fats, we're gonna have carbs. We're gonna have carbs. I know everybody freaks out. I don't even know what we're gonna cook. It's a very like chill day, regular day. I didn't even think about it because I didn't want to. I just want to show you what I eat on a regular day. So yeah, I had a really good workout, so the breakfast is gonna be really good. I think I'm gonna have some eggs and maybe oatmeal. We'll see. I have no idea for lunch, for dinner, for snacks, anything. So we're just gonna go with the flow about that. But please, 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 please just remember that this is the way I eat. This is what I'm doing for myself. This is what I crave and what works for me. I'm not putting this information out there to sell you an idea that if you eat this way you're gonna lose weight, or you're gonna look like this, like that, or this is gonna happen. Nutrition is a very important thing, and it's different for every single person out there, literally every single person. So please, please, please do your own research, do this at your own risk. It's not something crazy. I'm not drinking any supplements or anything crazy, but still, like, maybe you need more carbs or more protein in your diet. So just keep that in mind when we go along the way. But I just wanted to show you what works for me, to show you maybe some recipe ideas. And yeah, every recipe is gonna be written down below, or maybe I'm gonna do it on the video. I think it's gonna be down below so you can like see the measurements, how to make it. But all in all, that, like, yeah, that's all, that's everything. I'm just gonna head downstairs and I'm gonna have my coffee. It's normal egg, you can crack it. So I was trying to like show my mom and talk about it, and I cracked it somehow. I don't know. Am I that strong? No. Am I that stupid? Probably. So now I'm gonna make breakfast. Cabbage salad with some veggies and some chicken. It was just something, I'm like literally looking outside. I'm sorry. It was very simple, very easy. I kind of was lazy and we had some leftovers because yesterday was Easter, so I didn't want to complicate and just throw away food. So I'm like made that salad with everything, and I have a lot of leftovers from the salad from lunch. So I'm actually gonna have more. I'm gonna have a little bit more of the salad and some of the Easter eggs because they are already boiled and everything. So I'm just gonna use one egg to have the protein, and then we're gonna have a dessert, which I'm very excited about. We're gonna make probably like banana oatmeal kind of cake or like bread in a mug. So because I have some ripe bananas, so we're gonna do that. And yeah, so I'm just gonna peel one egg, add it to the salad, have some salad, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna make the whatever that is gonna be. So see you in a few minutes, 15, 20. see how, oh my god, let's see how it looks. Hello. So, oh my god, look at my kitchen. Much better. Let's try it. The caramel melted, but not fully. So now it's a mess, but let's see. What happened? Okay, let's try one more time. It's like banana bread. I'm about to try the caramel. It's good. I like it. And the milk, it's nice. It already like soaked up the milk, so it's really tasty. So recipe on the website when this video is live. Hi. Does it look like it's the same day? Because it's not. Well, you can actually see from my stain. I hope you can see it that far away. I made a mess. That's why I don't wear white hoodies in the house. But I love this one so much, so I'm just gonna pretend I don't see it. But I'm drinking my coffee. Today's the next day from the video you're gonna watch. I actually forgot to film an outro. Outro, is that the word? Whatever. But basically that was a whole day of eating. I hope you like it. I hope you like it. English is not the language of the day. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the recipes. I'm gonna share some of them on the website, some of them down below. Some of them are very simple. Also, just keep in mind, this is the way I eat. I try to listen to my body and give it whatever it wants. Usually I do choose the healthier version of stuff, but that's why I love cooking so much, because you can literally find a healthy version of every single food out there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and comment down below, like, what do you want to see next? Do you have any special recipes maybe you saw on my Instagram that I should show you? Should I do more cooking videos? I have a great idea about a cooking video, and I think I'm gonna do it in the next few months, so stay tuned for that. And basically, yeah, that's it. Subscribe to my channel, because as you can see, I'm very regular now with my posting. I'm actually thinking of doing a posting schedule for my YouTube, something like 1 day a week, and then maybe we'll move up to two days a week. I just need to kind of learn the whole editing game and everything, so I can be quicker with the editing stuff, because like filming, it's easy, but the editing, that's a whole different topic. But I hope you like this one. As I said 100 million times, I'm gonna drink my coffee and get back to work, because I have a lot of work. But yeah, subscribe, like, hit the bell button, do whatever. Stay amazing, eat healthy food, learn to cook, or don't. It's up to you. It's your thing, it's your life. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.